Today I'm going to talk about the importance of offering print services in your photography business. And these clips were extracted from a video that I produced for Permajet, who I'm an ambassador for, so they could show how important it is and the key benefits and the financial rewards in offering print services as a photography studio or as a wedding photographer. So let's go and take a look at my 3 top tips on why you should offer prints to your customers. There are a host of benefits to the wedding clients when offering print services, and foremost for your business, you're going to build a fabulous relationship with them. But I would say my top 3 tips to your clients would be the ability to choose different paper types from Permajet. Maybe print the picture out on a few different types of paper and give the client the choice that maybe suits the picture, or maybe suits even the kind of own personal taste. And I would always recommend printing the picture out before maybe they come in to have that personalized kind of consultation with you, and maybe just print a few pictures out on a couple of different types of paper to make them feel like they're getting a far more kind of personalized service. And I would say the second benefit would be the ability to offer services like retouching or blemish removal or anything in the image that you might want to spend a bit more time on. It's a really personalized touch and something they're not going to get on the high street. My third benefit to the client is a complete personalized service, again, they're not going to find on the high street. By giving them all these options and sitting down with them and maybe even choosing certain pictures that they might want either in the album or maybe printed, large in their house, you're really going to give them an experience that they can't find anywhere else. And I'll be surprised if you can find it with your competitors, because most wedding photographers now only supply pictures digitally and won't offer album or print services. So that wraps up my 3 top tips to offering print services in your photography business. I hope you found those useful, and I'm pretty sure that you can maximize on your profits if you follow a few of those key steps and offer a far superior service to your customers. So like and subscribe if you like this video and you'd like to see more. And you can also find me on Instagram and Facebook by searching Matthew Rycraft. Catch you soon.